The Renault Kwid AMT clutch actuator is an electronic device that controls the clutch engagement and disengagement in the car. It uses an electric motor-driven actuator that controls the clutch engagement and disengagement. The clutch actuator in the Kwid AMTs is part of the car's electronic control system and is controlled by the transmission control unit (DQ). When the driver wants to engage or disengage the clutch, the TU sends a signal to the clutch actuator, which in turn engages or disengages the clutch plate. The clutch actuator in the Kwid AMT is designed to provide smooth and seamless gear changes, which makes driving in heavy traffic or on hilly roads more comfortable and convenient. It also improves fuel efficiency and reduces wear and tear on the clutch system compared to a traditional manual transmission. Here, the motor is working perfectly fine. So we need to check the actuator unit as it gets stuck, which prevents gear shift. To remove the top lid, unscrew the unit. Gently tap it with a hammer and then use a screwdriver to pry it open. Remove the reduction gear. To remove the actuator drive gear, turn it until it comes off. To remove the actuator mechanism, we need to first unlock the C-clip. Now, pull out the actuator cable to remove the mechanism completely. Remove spring in its holder. This part is responsible for keeping the actuator in its original position. The most difficult part is to reinsert the C-clip into the locking channel. To accomplish this, pull the actuator down firmly and carefully insert the clip into the locking channel. Special tools are required for this. Here, to pull out the actuator, put a socket inside the lid and close the unit. Then use an aluminum pipe to lock the unit. In this way, we can hold the unit under the C-clip channel. Now we can easily insert the lock in place. It now properly seated in the gap. Fit everything back as before. Now we need to check if it is working properly. To check if it is functioning properly, apply a 12 supply and observe if the motor rotates the gear. Pull the cable and check if it moves inward to ensure it is properly connected.